My name's Kevin. I'm the sous chef at Less Than Greater Than. I'm here with a couple friends today. They'll introduce themselves.
My name's Alan. I am the beverage director for this company.
My name is Luke, the man behind the shades. I am the bar manager at Rail Trail Flatbread Company, and we are here to ascertain whether some new city ice creams pass the vibe check.
Shall we? Mask up.
Yeah, I guess
we got
Erica's making us use our masks as blindfolds.
Make sure you put it right here so I don't
Please, sir, could I have some more? Smells nutty.
Dude, it's
I have a
fine.
song.
Not supposed to smell it. Oh, that's baklava. That's baklava.
I was right, I said nutty.
I know walnuts on my dish.
Listen, kiddo. Still eat. Can I just eat this?
Okay, good.
Who do you want to do?
Which one's the cup?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
And nutty.
No.
But it's definitely chocolate based.
Is it Mexican chocolate?
Yeah! Good one.
Yeah, you taste that cinnamon.
It's a nice slow building heat.
It's a slow burn.
Yeah.
Like that volcano.
The Guajiro volcano?
See.
Mmm.
Oh, that's cookies and cream. Then it's salted cookies and cream.
I feel like Kevin's really going for the accuracy through volume strategy of guessing.
I'm just eating ice cream. I'm just eating ice cream. I'm just eating ice cream.
The current score is 2 Kevin, 1 Luke.
Luke's here?
Are you keeping score?
Strawberry.
It's strawberry cheesecake, you fool.
Rude.
Rude. Don't get personal.
I'm sorry. You're not a fool.
We're gonna fight about this later.
We should fight about
You wait till we get home.
Alan and I, fun fact for the viewers, live about 3 blocks from each other.
We do.
Aww.
I can throw a rock really hard and almost get to his house.
Cookie dough.
Gosh darn it.
Yeah, somebody.
I don't think I got ice cream. I think I just got cookie dough. Trying to praise.
Cookie dough.
So 3 Kevin, 2 Luke, you're out.
Still batting 1,000. I'm just trying to delay the inevitable. Ruthless.
Oh, you ruined it! You had a perfect game! Those screws upside down.
Oh, that's chocolate chip.
That's a lot, chips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's also not minty.
Seems nice.
We do not skimp on the adjuncts.
I don't have chocolate chip often because we always have new things, but this is nice.
This is good. It's a classic.
Sometimes you gotta just stick with old school.
This is just like a segment of paper towel.
Yeah.
Oh, did I get a point?
No.
No, you get negative points for that. These, yeah. What is this, Bounty?
Oh, the quicker, quicker, bigger opposite.
This is mango sorbet.
This is something.
Vegan chocolate avocado.
No way. Oh, coconut. I was like, this is very tropical.
Less avocado-y than I remember.
That's what it is. It's the avocado. I don't think I've ever tasted this flavor.
It's a soft serve. Chocolate chip. What?
Tuxedo.
There's chocolate in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a stumper.
Cookies and cream?
No, it's like chocolate. Like flakes. I'm not even convinced there's ice cream in this cup.
It's not minty. Yeah, these are some stingy samples.
It's really not minty.
It's very not minty.
It's friendship.
What?
So I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today.
No. It's not.
I want a refund.
Seriously.
I'm also still tasting a lot of walnut. We did not get a palate cleanser between courses.
This is
Grasshopper.
This is minty.
No, this is
Minty.
grasshopper.
This We screwed that up. See, we were right.
Well, they're
I
two
know.
mint chips.
When we said it wasn't minty.
All right,
This is mint.
everybody gets a
Erica! I was first.
We should all get 1 point as a show of faith and fairness.
I mean, I think we should all get bonus points for knowing that the other one was not mint chip.
Well,
It's actually
Not deduct points from Eric.
That first one was malted milk ball, so. But I wrote-
That makes way more sense.
Not
Yeah.
minty milk
Like, I
balls.
was like, we might have to check this batch of mint chip because it is not very minty. This, on the other hand, minty and delicious.
I feel like I just chewed gum.
That's the best mint chip.
I feel like I chewed mint chip ice cream.
Dentists.
That was way better than the last mint chip.
4 out of
Eric.
14.
In the treble of my headphones, I got no treble.
I think we all had a really good time. Some of us,
I think you probably more than me.
yes,
But yeah,
some
sure.
of us got more points than others, but
Yeah, I mean, if
But Erica lost.
points and it's yelling ice cream flavors, then yes, some of us got more.
Yeah,
Maybe the real points was the ice cream we ate along the way.
Maybe the real points were that we're all here and we're good friends and we're having a great time.
yeah.
And I
Thanks for
don't
tuning
feel any
in.
better about myself than I did when this started.
And from all three of us to you, happy
Stay
birthday.
classy, San Diego.
We love you.